Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum CS Pro users. Tutorial on Define Languages. A CAPI application can contain questions text in multiple languages. The interviewer can switch among available languages as needed. In this tutorial, we will go over how to define multi-languages for dictionary, CAPI questions, error messages, and value labels. I am going to use English, Urdu, and French in this tutorial. For French, I used Google Translation. Please disregard any error in the translation. First, I am going to add Urdu and French language support for CAPI questions. The CAPI questions icon in the toolbar is disabled, and the Define CAPI language option in the CAPI menu is also disabled. From the Options menu, select Data Entry. The Data Entry Options window will be displayed. Check the option Use Question Text and press OK to continue. Now the CAPI questions icon is enabled. From the CAPI menu, select Define CAPI Languages. The CAPI Languages dialog box will be displayed, showing the languages currently defined for the application. We currently only have one language, which is English. You can add, remove, or modify your application's CAPI languages. Press the Add button to add Urdu and French languages. Give the defined language a name and a label. We now have two more languages, Urdu and French. Click OK to proceed. The languages that are currently being added are for CAPI questions. Add languages to the dictionary now. Only English is currently set for dictionary items and records. From the Edit menu, select Languages. The CAPI Languages dialog box will be displayed, showing the languages currently defined for the dictionary. We currently only have one language, which is English. Press the Add button to add Urdu and French languages. Give the defined language a name and a label. We now have two more languages. There is currently no language combo box on the toolbar icon. When you press OK, a combo box will appear with three languages on the toolbar icon. Click OK to proceed. Now you have English, Urdu, and French for the dictionary. The labels for the items will now be typed in Urdu and French. Choose Urdu from the drop-down menu and type the item label in Urdu. After that, choose French and type the item label in French. Do the same for all of the item labels. It is time to start adding value labels in English, Urdu, and French. Select an item from the dictionary tree. Press Ctrl plus A or right-click on the white space on the right side window. Then select Add Value Set from the menu. Press Enter once, then type _en at the end of the value set name. This name was entered into the Languages dialog box. Press Enter to add the value label and values in English. After you have adding the English value labels, copy the value set and paste it at the end of the English items value set listings. Change the value set's name to vs1 underscore ur and type the value label in Urdu. Do the same thing with French. Repeat these steps for each item that needs value labels. The items will look like this after you finish this activity. Now add CAPI questions. Select an item from the forms tree and then click on the CAPI questions icon from the icon toolbar. We will get two blank CAPI questions text windows. Use the drop-down list in the toolbar above each question text window to select a language. I have already added the questions for English, Urdu, and French. We will now use conditions when creating CAPI questions, and we will use question R underscore Q1 for that. This question is about the household member's name. If we are on the first occurrence, then the question will be, please enter the household head's name. If we are above the first occurrence, the question will be asked, please enter the name of those who live in this household with the household head. Let's apply this. Right-click on the blue highlighted bar in the condition window or on the white space. Choose Add Condition. Enter a condition. This condition means that we are on the first occurrence. In this case, this question will be displayed in English, Urdu, and French. To add another condition, right-click on the blue highlight bar again or on the white space. Choose Add Condition. This condition means that we are above the first occurrence. In this case, this question will be displayed in English, Urdu, and French. In condition 1, the question is different as compared to condition 2. Set error messages for English, Urdu, and French. Click on the logic icon from the icon toolbar. Click on the message tab. The message tab is used to type in error messages that will be used in the execution of the program. I have the error messages with the message numbers in all three languages. You can customize the message number to meet your needs. Please keep in mind that messages and numbers will be identical in all three languages. If the value in Q1 is greater than 60, the error message number 101 will appear in the language you have chosen. Please see the error message function tutorial for more information. The link will be provided in the description box. Now, if you want to show fields labels above the CAPI question text, then select Data Entry from the Options menu. Select Show Field Labels above question text. Each field label will be displayed on the screen above the field associated questions text. If unchecked, field labels will not be shown at all. Press OK to continue. Now select all your items. Right-click on the blue highlighted items and select Properties. Select Link to Dictionary label from the screen text combo box and press OK to continue. When you run your application on the device, the field labels will be displayed above the CAPI question text. Let's see the syntax. I only need 5 lines of syntax to switch between all three languages. I am using the set language and load setting function in the pre-proc of the second tier 3 node to set the language at the start of the program. As my default language, I use Urdu. Load setting function runs first. If language preferences exist, load setting function will be true. Otherwise, set language will be true. And after that, on change language global function will be called. The get language function get the name of the language being used. In the case of English, the name will be EN. For Urdu, the name will be UR, and for French, the name will be FR. At this stage, by using the save settings function, your preferred language will be saved. Similarly, the get language function will get the name of the language being used. It will be saved as a value in your attribute name save last language. For more details, please see the tutorial on user and configuration settings. The link will be provided in the description box. Now run the application. I will run the application in fast forward to give you an idea of how the application works. Because I have set Urdu as the default language, the question and value labels will be displayed in Urdu the first time the application is run. See the CS Pro helps for more information on set language function, load setting function, on change language global function, set value sets function, get language function, and save setting function. Keep on learning and goodbye.